Good night, Taylor. And get you Papa. You have a good night's rest, okay? Good night. Thank you so much for subscribing to. I didn't forget to wait. Here's I see. Look off a magical world. I can open the door into a thank you. And look over the lake. You get to the light. There. I can see us taking the light off. I got to fill up a lake. Look out for Kaylee. Look out for you. The magical candy. The magical unicorn. Look, magical tree. You see us lake? I'm going. Quick. It was a key lake. Look, I'm crossing the bridge. I was run to magical beds. Look out for Kitty Lane. Look. Here's a snake. Run, change. The snake is chasing me. Look, a magical beds. Look at all my magical bridge. Magical world. Real pretty beds. During sunrise. Taylor. Hey Taylor, why you sleepwalking in the lake? Because I gotta do the. Hey Taylor, you supposed to be asleep, okay? You supposed to be asleep, okay? We gonna walk you back home, okay? Okay. Here you touch a lake. 1, 2. You'll touch a lake again, okay? So you're supposed to be asleep. Okay, so door shuts. And now you gotta go back to your bed, okay? Yeah. Okay. So thanks for watching, guys. So please like and subscribe. Tell your see you. See you. Bye.